Hello, my name is Davide. In this second video, I will show you how to import Excel data into MicroStrategy Desktop 10. As an example, I have downloaded the World Bank GDP data, which is available for free from the http://data.worldbank.org website. You can go to the download data button and click on Excel. I already downloaded it and I have it here. So we can look at the content of this file with the Excel viewer. I don't have Excel installed on this machine, so I'm using a viewer which is free from Microsoft. In this first spreadsheet, you see we have a title row, a blank row, and then we have the column names that indicate country, country code, the name of the indicator, and several columns, one each year when the numbers are available. This is not the ideal format for an import, but this file will help us see how easy it is to manipulate data with the MicroStrategy Desktop. Then we have another tab here that says Metadata Countries. This tab has no numbers in it. It just has a reference of country name, country code, and the region where the country is located. We will see how this information is useful for us when we import the data into MicroStrategy. So we minimize this and we open the desktop software. If you don't have the MicroStrategy Desktop installed, please watch my previous video on how to install it. We close the Getting Started window and we're presented with a blank visualization. So what we do is add data, select new data, and when this dialog appears, we click on the first icon that says File from Disk. And here we can upload. Really, we're not uploading anywhere because the MicroStrategy Desktop is local to our machine. I'm not sending data to anybody. But it just says upload in the sense that you are giving data to the application. So I click Choose Files. I look in the folder where I downloaded my Excel file, click on Open. Now I have here my World Bank data. When I click on Finish, MicroStrategy starts reading at the spreadsheet and propose me a list of worksheets. By default it selects the first one, but I want to import also the second one that we saw contains the names of the countries and the regions, and I click on Select. Now while I am waiting, MicroStrategy reads the data, the columns, makes a guess on which is which one is an indicator, which one is a description. And as you see here, it paints with a different icon the descriptions and the indicators. In MicroStrategy, these are called attributes and these are called metrics. But for now, we didn't manipulate anything. We didn't delete any rows. We didn't tell which was the name of the columns. The software simply detected that there was a column name and there was data, and we are presented with this. So if I, for example, put the country name on rows, I will see a list of countries. This is more like a pivot table in Excel if you are used to that terminology. And then I can draw an indicator on columns, and I have the data for country and for 1960. Then I can drop the 61 and 62 and so on. Now, if this is the most beautiful part. I can drop the region here, and I have the data automatically grouped by region. We did not tell to MicroStrategy which country was in which region, but it simply detected that there is a country code here and there is a country code here, and they probably may be the same thing. And since here there is a country also and here is a country also, so it simply matched the name and proposed me the region. So I have in East Asia, I have Australia, Cambodia, China. Let me see if we can find any error. Japan, Malaysia, Samoa, Singapore. We have Europe and Central Asia, where Albania, Andorra. You see, this is strange. We have repeated Europe and Central Asia and Europe and Central Asia. I suppose that that's because the data is not continuous. We have from Albania to Czech Republic, from Albania to, I don't know, Czech Republic. We can see in a future video, we can see how we can clean the data and have all the countries in Europe grouped under a unique header. But it's okay for now. We have imported an Excel file, and we have created our first visualization, our first pivot table, so to speak, with MicroStrategy Desktop. You can save it, and you can give it a name. It could be World Bank GDP data by region and country. We'll save it, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and see you again